ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postem EA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Ke Sorkar Jala limbo sekretari Jagatan PWD Road baki ki mawa kelapha de jing tho shwe kong Bindas im dak bepentip bay ke surok Nongpoh-Umden Sunapur ke bejrong san bukanai kilometer la terwa ban Shna lingba ke NESID Road bat naga skim PMGSY 3. Kajing tho ka pentip biya ke surok nadu Nongpoh hadu Umden ke bejrong 40 km la terwa hapo ke NESIDS ya ke bawan sabe pisah dengan Ministry of Development of North East Region ha ke ba kamang pisah ke pasan pu arklor tingka. Ya kini kajing tho la puliru hakmat ki pat lang ki biya lum hakmat ki yang dara bala syong sha than da ka kong Bindas im ha parking lot ke bran markhap ba ka office additional secretariat Shillong.
Kene kasni ke bamanta ke dei kasni jong ka jing job ke jonga ha ke jing yele rengkat ke jing Christian do bat met bat mensem ke jong pi yang ha kine ki kniat sni ki bala dem no nga ai ke jing khoblei ke ba kerpang ye pi we ki ba ai ke jing Christian ke barat ba ha kam ki jam ki jonga bat ngapen pauru ke jing sngongu ke ba krau ya ke sang HYC kaba Pdiang ya kajaka tia kajaka sa kajaka syong kajonga kublai shibun kinong yalam jong ka HYC gibalaya rap yang ya kijing don kam jonga ban Pdiang hakiliang baro ublai nang karku ya kaseng kajong pi bapinang roy sya perang bapinang la banyakit ya ba ya kalengkor yangi ki para kasi para doa para senam bat kumjuro nga ai kijing kublai ka bakarpang ya kahito kabalaya rap ya kijing don kam kijonga hagi babun bat kumjuro kakop nang ta ki RBYF nang ngamla ban najer kerteng baro kisang kijong pis ngau bahama bianga ngamla ban jer kerteng iki te ka e ka banga ngakwa banong epi khublei shibun ublei un kerku yepi ba phenang la ban trei ha ka imlang ka salang hapo ka snong bat ka than ka dong ka jungi ha ka ri bat ka jet ka benriu ka jungi baro ka wei te ka ne ka por Shwa bangin poy ki we ki benta banyak keren ngas ngeu bah ban pentip syapi bana kaliang jong minister u ba presiden tensong ula ai yangi ya ka jing dan kam bat ka jing dawa ka jongi kat kum ka jing kwa ka jonga kat kum ka jing dawa ka jonga u ba presiden klam da pen ruam baro ki jing dawa jonga ula ai kani ka dei ka jing kerku ka jong ublei na ka benta ka jing yem ka jonga ha ka ba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi kila pen sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kemi ka bom dan nei ka bom dan u khiu ja hayeng badan u khiu ja hayeng ki breu rei nga pen pau ka jing sngu yaw belai bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing Christian ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi we pai we ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kila pen snam ya kata ka jing kerpat ke jonga kijing dawa ke jonga de kenang ba kan de kapor Shwa ba pintip ya ke jing shisha nga kerpat ya iba kerbok malai bin sneu ba bonwan sha kemat ban pule ya ke ne ke agreement ke jing yatho yatar ke jongi ke jing yakut ke jongi bat u minister jongi
upgradation of Nongpoh-Umden Sunapur Road length approximate 59 km is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nongpoh-Umden Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER Government of India at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20-kilometer stretch of the Nongpoh-Umden road in the budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report DPR is under preparation and will be sent to the planning department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the planning department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umden to Bindas, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system or MAS of PMGSY. The meeting Empower Committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary PWD, Government of India.